The Elios 3 is a game changer because the amount of time it takes to collect the data, and the data is much more accurate and much more detailed than we got before. My name is Elios. I'm a production technician and I work in LKAB. The biggest use case for us is doing the overpass inspections with the drone. The problem with overpasses is that you cannot enter them yourself. It's too dangerous. Before we got the drone, we used like a wagon that we sent down the overpass. To inspect one overpass, it took about 8 hours, one shift to do one inspection. With the Elios 3, we can be just a single person, a pilot, who can inspect a whole overpass in like 20 minutes. So from the Elios 3 flight, we collect the RGB camera data and also the LiDAR scan data, the 3D point cloud. It's much more accurate and much more detailed than we got before. The Elios 3 has changed the game a lot because now it's much more faster and much more safer for everyone to do the inspection also, because you don't really have to be close to the overpass when you do the inspection, and it's really a game changer.